Have you lost the recently deleted option on iMessage? No worries. Here's the advanced guide on how to enable the recently deleted option on iMessages with just one click. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, tap on Apple ID. After that, tap on iCloud. Then tap on Show All. Here you can see all the iCloud apps. Then tap on iMessage and turn on the Sync this iPhone option. With these changes, your recently deleted folders will be enabled on iPhone iMessage app. Quickly after that, open Settings, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, disable it. Now go back, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset All, tap Reset All Settings. Now check your issues. So this is how you can enable the recently deleted folder on iMessage app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.